another video. Today I am here to, I don't know, vlog a little bit. Anywhere, so this is going to be more so a at home type of vlog. I do have footage of bowling. Charlotte treated all the Sephora employees to a night out, a bowling night out. So that was so much fun, you all. I'm so glad I went because I had such a good time. I add those hair clips. I just wanted to give y'all some little updates on these hair bags I've been wearing. Not luxury handbags. They are Marshalls and MZ Wallace bags, you all. And the reason why I want to share, because you know I've been loving them at the moment. I got at Marshalls, y'all. This here is the, I think is an Anthropology dupe. Now the Anthropology one is like 100. This one is like 120 or 150. Well, I didn't want to spend that much money on a bag, y'all. I'm being honest. I just didn't want to spend that much money. Sephora friends was telling me, like, she was like, girl, you know they got those Anthropology bag dupes at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So I was like, oh really? So I did purchase this in the small size, and then I saw the bigger version. One I think was like $24.99. This one was $39.99. And I was just like, I'm gonna grab one. So I grabbed both. Well, I didn't get them both at the same time, but I do have both. I have the smaller version, and I also have this here. And when I tell you I love this hair bag, this is the bag that I've been carrying to work. And when I tell you I see so many ladies with this hair bag, that's what made me inquire about the bag, because I was just like, why everybody got that bag? So yeah, I took some stuff out because I ended up using my MZ Wallace bag when I went out with my Sephora friends yesterday. But yeah, y'all, this here bag, y'all, if y'all see this at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I highly recommend purchasing this bag. I wish I could link it for you, but if I can find one, like if I can find one that looks just like this off of Amazon, I'll try and link it down below. They do sell it on Amazon, and they do have them in colors. Now this one I don't think I would get in a color because I like it in black, but the small one I would get in a color because I don't know, it seems like the smaller bags and colors look a lot cuter than the bigger bags. And it feels nice, like it just looks so nice. Like I'll just wear it like so, and I'm telling you, I love this hair bag. Heavy, it's not heavy on the shoulder. Like it has like some like softness of the bag, so when it's on your shoulder, it's very, very comfortable. Y'all, when I tell you I love this hair bag, so again, if y'all see this at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I highly recommend purchasing this. And I will say I did see it on sale at Marshalls, so but if you can't catch it on sale, it is $39.99, which is still a good price, because like I said, at Anthropology, and isn't, you know what, it was Anthropology and Urban Expressions. Yep. And this hair brand on the actual website, Urban Expressions, I think this is over 100. So overflow of Urban Expression stuff, because if you go on this hair website and get this bag off of Urban Expressions, you're going to pay more than $39. So I'm just saying. So I'll try and find it as cheap as possible, but if not, like I said, check out TJ Maxx and Marshalls. This hair bag, I never heard of MZ Wallace until working at Sephora, because like I said, when clients come in, I'm looking at bags, I'm looking at watches, I'm looking at shoes. Like I'm just on everything, because I'm that person like, oh girl, your bag is cute, or oh girl, your dress is cute, or oh your hair cute. Like I'm that person. Compliments to whoever. Like I don't discriminate, honey. If you cute, you cute. One time I gave this lady a compliment. She looked so pretty, and she was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. She was like, you just don't understand how much I needed that. She was like, I was having a bad day and you just made my day. And I was just like, see, you may touch. Like I don't get that from everybody, but I do always get a thank you. But that particular day, she just was like, thank you so much. Like you just don't know how you just really, like, you know. And I say that to say you just never know. It was a lady who wore this bag, and everybody, when it comes to handbags, when I inquire about their bags, they always let me feel, touch, or whatever. Like when she had this particular client had this hair brand, she was like, girl, you could take a picture, you could feel it, you could touch it, you could do whatever. So, you know, of course I ain't taking and wear, but I did take a picture of the brand. When I was on my lunch break, I looked this brand up, and I fell in love, because this here, on this website, you all, they have so many different bag colors. When I tell you, if you actually go on this here website, I will try and link it down below for you all. When I tell you they have everything on that website, like everything. They got the sling bags, they got the small bags, smaller than this, they got this size, they got bigger size, they got toast, they got so much stuff on their particular website. And when I tell you the colors, they got tie-dye, regular colors, bright colors, summer colors. They got so many colors on their website, and the bag is just made nice, you all, like really, really nice. I wanted to like make the bag have more room, attach this and make it look like, and have it look like this, but for me, I like the way it looks cinched on the sides. Like I said, I wore this when I went bowling with my Sephora friends. I didn't want to carry Louis Vuitton. No reason why, I just didn't want to. Really quick, what I put in here yesterday, I had put some gum because you know I can't walk around with stink breath. AirPods, hand sanitizer, Touchland, and I love the vanilla scent. My favorite. I'm almost gone. Some tissues, car keys. I have some socks because of course I needed socks because I went bowling. Hair bag do come with the strap. I did keep the strap in the bag just in case I needed this. And you have this here little pouch. I still got the white tag on it, but yeah, it comes with like an inside pouch. I don't know what's this. I guess you could throw stuff in here like a toiletry pouch, I guess. I don't know. I have a zipper pocket. Little compartments in the back of the zipper pocket. I didn't even know that. In the zipper pocket. A drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that away in my little trash can. Summer Fridays, but this here is empty, so I need to like get rid of it. I didn't mention you do have a strap where you can attach your keys. So like for instance, if you don't want your keys just all over the place, attach them like so and just throw them in the bag. 2 patch pockets here. I threw a lot of my stuff in this here pouch because the reason why I threw stuff in here because I was carrying my Longchamp when I went to the farmer's market. So I'm just all in the inside of that bag because I do have like a lime green color and it's white in the inside. So I was like, let me just throw all my essentials in this here pouch. I did get this free from one of the brand reps. So I just have my Charlotte lip gloss, Dr. Dennis Gross lip plumper. The only thing about this here lip plumper, the top always comes off. I didn't buy this. This was gifted to me because it was one of our training products. My Lawless lip balm. I have some cash, gum, and then I have my Chanel wallet, you all. My Chanel card case, y'all. When I tell you I am still loving this hair card case, this was the best purchase ever. I'm just saying, like, I love this hair card case. That was everything I had in this pouch. And like I said, I just threw this hair pouch in here because I was only looking to wear this bag just to go bowling. Down below, because y'all, please look on their website. This video is not sponsored or anything, but y'all know I love sharing things that I love myself. Also share another thing that I'm loving. I did get this in gratis, and let me just say, I wouldn't have purchased this. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest. I did see a lot of people coming to the store asking about this, but again, I didn't pay it no mind because TikTok like that to know what's trending. I just like what I like. If I see somebody sharing something on YouTube or Instagram, then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go look at it and try it. But I've been noticing that whatever's on TikTok, they come into our store looking for it. So TikTok is the place to really look at stuff and find out what's popping and what's new. That's why this is always sold out. So y'all, I had on like a jumper and I was just like, oh, let me pull this out. Shoulders and my back and everything was going to be out. And keep in mind, this didn't come with the brush. You have to buy the brush separately because the brush is kind of made like this a little bit, but it's a lot shorter. So I was like, let me go grab that brush and take this and rub it all over the body. When I tell you, honey, Miss Tamika was glowing and glowing in a beautiful bronzy way. Dab this all over the shoulder area. Honey, I was giving glow vibes. Let me tell you something. I see why everybody on TikTok is hyping this thing up. Like, I'm telling you, I would have never ever thought to purchase this by itself. Thought, because I'm that person that, you know, I just put lotion on my body. But when you got your shoulders out and you wearing sundresses and stuff, honey, you got to have that glow. So auntie, something about you looking for a glow bomb, this is it. This is it, honey. This is it. This is it. You did it around, like I said, I just did like so. I don't want to really do it now because, you know, I have on a full shirt, but I just applied it here. I had someone help me apply it on the back, and honey, I was glowy. I give 10 out of 10. I will link this down below for you all, because if you someone that's, you know, going on vacation, I don't know, if you like to go out with your girls, get this, because you can put this on top of lotion. It won't bother it. I would recommend putting your lotion and everything on first, and then applying it all over your body, and then spraying yourself down with some cute fragrance. Oh my gosh, you all. Really quick and share some things that I was loving, and also start out this here vlog and kind of tell you what's going on, because I just filmed and I didn't really go into detail about everything. So this is why I wanted to start off this here video. On Friday was like, hey, we hosting a bowling event for, you know, Sephora employees. So I was like, okay, and I'm glad I went. Like, food was provided. No alcohol, but of course I brought my own. I had such a good time. Often, but it was nice to go out, because I don't know, I'm always with my daughter. Sometimes for me, I need like grown-up conversations, if you get what I'm saying, because, like, you know, the females every so often. So I say that to say, I was telling the girls, I said maybe we should do something like this once a month, you know, just to like reset and regroup, you know, like have fun, talk, play, take pictures and stuff. I'll probably insert some pictures throughout the video or leave it towards the end of the vlog so you can see. And when I tell you, I love my Sephora friends. Such a good time. Like, the younger ones look at me, you know, they know me as Miss Tamika on YouTube, but they just love me so much, and it just feels so nice to be loved. Because growing up, I didn't grow up with a lot of friends. I just say that to say it just feels nice to be around a bunch of women that's not with the drama. Too many clips, because it was playing, they were playing music, and I was just in the moment. And now I get what people say when they kind of don't vlog their whole outings, because you want to just be in the moment. That's exactly what I was. I was in the moment. So where one of my Sephora friends, she's like 20, so she's like old enough to be my daughter. I call them my Sephora daughters, because they almost all of them is old enough to be my daughters. So I was filming myself, just, you know, and she came up and gave me a kiss on the cheek. When I tell you, that was the cutest thing ever. Like, oh my gosh, like, you know how your kids sometimes treat you. And I was just like, my daughter would have never done that. So I was just like, that was just the cutest thing. And the way she did it, she caught me off guard, but it was so cute, y'all. So I will insert that video either here or at the end. Please enjoy my vlog. And with that being said, please don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye. Jada, you say hi to my YouTube friends. That's my Jada J from Sephora. There go Lisa, y'all. That's the one who brought me that Lululemon bag. Yes, Lisa. Yes, honey, we gonna turn up. We gonna turn up. St. Clair, where are you, Sin City? Where she go? Hi. My friend, that's my boo. Oh, you in my YouTube? Hey! Hey. share something really quick with y'all. Yesterday I was at Aldi's. Like I said, I went food shopping. Y'all, I found this cute little backpack because I was looking for the one at Lululemon, but for some reason they don't carry it. They don't carry the little mini backpacks anymore. Here's actually a doggy bag. I don't know, I guess to put poop bags in here, but I thought it was cute. Like, I really thought this was cute. They had it in pink, and I put the pink back, and then when I decided to want the pink, the line got long, and I was like, if y'all know Aldi's, y'all know the lines can get very long. So I'm like, I'm not about to stand in that line for that pouch. So I ended up with this one because I was like, this is cute. This is a color that I don't have in my collection. But let me just show you really quick, because I just been like loving this here little mini backpack thing. Like, if you watch those reels on YouTube, I'm like, oh my gosh, they are just the cutest thing. So I have my One Size powder. I have my Tower 28 lip balm, Tower 28 lip pencil. I have my Dior lip balm, my Huda Beauty blush, Too Faced bronzer. Like, this thing holds so much. Like, how cute. Here at Aldi's, you do have to go in because this is like a doggy bag to put the little poop bags in. But I don't know, I just thought this was cute. And this on my Longchamp bag. So I just thought this was cute, y'all. I just had to get on here and show this really quick. So if y'all have Aldi's our backpack, I think it was like $6.99 before taxes, and it do come in 2 colors. So yeah, I just had to get on here really quick and share that because I forgot.